Here's how to upload your very own image on recraft.ai. First, after logging in, create a new project. Then on top, click on the Import Image button right here. Then select the image that you would like to upload and click on Open. Your image is then uploaded to Recraft and should appear here on your canvas. Sometimes this doesn't work though for some reason, and if that is the case, here's a workaround for you. We have just seen that generally speaking, whenever you want to upload an image, you would click on this symbol right here to import your image. Now, if this doesn't work, you can also try to just drag and drop your images here onto the canvas. So you could simply grab your file right here and then simply drop it onto the canvas like this. And just like that, you uploaded your image as well. I took the picture here from the Finder, but this will also work if your image is on the desktop, for example. After uploading your image to Recraft, there are a couple of nice things you can do. First of all, you can variate your image right here and, for example, turn it into a cartoon or an illustration, or just simply create an image in the same style. To do so, click on Fine Tune here on the left side. Then below that, you can decide how similar your new image should be. You can then choose a style for your image. Just click right here and then choose from one of these styles. For example, let's take line and fill and make sure to click on apply right here. Next, for the prompt right here, we will just add a prompt that describes the original image. Let's keep it simple for the moment, so I'm just gonna write a businesswoman. And finally, to create our new image, we click here on modify image. And let's see what happens. And just like that, we created a line art image based on our original image with our businesswoman. So if this is not similar enough for you, you can always use this similarity fader right here to create even more similar results, or if it is too similar, you can also decrease the similarity, of course. Let's have a look at the second variation here as well. Oh, that one's pretty cool as well. Now, with your original image, you can obviously also do a lot of other things than just trying to create similar images or images that use the same style. So for example, you can click on the text icon here in the upper left corner of the screen and then click in the image where you would like to add the text, and you can then add some text to your image. Using the color wheel right here, you can also change the color, of course. Another cool thing you can do directly within Recraft is to actually remove the background, which is really amazing because other tools like Midjourney and Ideogram don't have this kind of feature yet. So to remove the background of your uploaded image in Recraft, simply left click on the image and then on top here click on the scissor symbol to remove the background. And just like that, we remove the background of our uploaded image. That's pretty cool, right? But do you know what's even more cool? In Recraft, you could actually also change your background with just a few clicks. If you would like to know how to do just that, then make sure to watch the next video on this channel.